Hello and welcome back to another lecture. So AWS is always updating their services and their dashboard. And this lecture is going to teach you how to point your domain name to your application load balancer in the new Route 53 dashboard. So to point our domain name to our application load balancer, select services and come down to networking and content delivery, select Route 53. And we are going to click on our hosted zone. I'm going to select my domain name. Now click create record. It's going to be simple routing. Under record name, type www. And under alias, toggle it on. Then under route traffic to, select the drop down and we are going to select alias to application load balancer. We are going to select choose region and we are going to choose the region where our application load balancer is in. Mine is in the US East 1. We'll select that. And I'm going to choose my application load balancer. And I'm going to click create record. And I've now created that record. If I copy this URL, I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to come here and paste it in there. I should now be able to access my site. And there you go. We can now access our WordPress site from our domain name. So there's one more thing we need to do. Make sure this is www. And I'm going to press /WP admin. Press enter. We are going to sign in. So once you sign in, come to your settings in general. And you want to update this URL to your new one. So again, I can come to my Route 53, copy this, and let's paste it in there. And once you're at your site, now copy this, copy, and come in here and paste it in here, like that. So it should look the way mine look with the / at the end and the HTTP, and paste it here. And once you're done, come down, click Save Changes. It is going to log you out and you can sign in again and log in. And there you go. And that is how you point your domain name to your application load balancer in the new Route 53 dashboard. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.